Hey guys, well, you are watching KP Public School and this is our virtual classroom. Now we are in session 3. In this, we have to learn about the manipulating data. In the database, you can define the structures of the data and manipulate the data using some commands. So basically, there are two types of languages we are using in the task basically. So these languages are the data definition language and data manipulation language. So what we do in DDL, definition language, basically data definition language is used to define the structure of database. सबसे पहले हमें अपने डेटाबेस का स्ट्रक्चर बनाना होगा एग्जैक्टली विच टाइप ऑफ डेटा वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट फॉर दैट वी हैव जस्ट डिफाइन ऑल द tables index and there are many more different objects are there we have just include in this particular database. Basically it is called a database definition language. Okay, so in this we run the all these different commands are there. So first of all we use the create command where we create a new table and database. Second one is later structure define the table and databases. Basically what kind of letters we are going to use in this particular table or database. And drop basically deletes a database tables. किसी particular tables को या database को delete करना है तो आप drop command चलाएंगे. And truncate basically deleted all records databases along the data space allotted to them. And rename, if you want to just rename your database, exactly we have just used the we have just put the rename command exactly. And the second things is database manipulation language. Basically what kind of things include in this particular language? Once the data structure of databases has been defined, it is ready to entry and manipulation of data. ओके जब आप अपना डेटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर तैयार कर लेते हैं उसके बाद आप उसके अंदर जो डेटा एंट्री करते हैं, खास करके जिस पर्टिकुलर डेटा की आपको वहां पे एंट्री करनी है. So basically this particular things is called a database manipulation language. In this we do basically all these different important tasks which is already mentioned in this particular section. First of all हम या तो ऐड करते हैं न्यू रिकॉर्ड को डेटाबेस में या फिर किसी पर्टिकुलर डेटाबेस एग्जिस्टिंग डेटाबेस में किसी चीज को हम सर्च करते हैं, ढूंढते हैं, नेविगेट करते हैं. और व्यू कंटेंट्स ऑफ वेरियस फील्ड्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स, हमें किसी पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्ड्स को देखना है अपने कंटेंट्स में से, या मॉडिफाई करना है किसी भी पर्टिकुलर कंटेंट को, या एग्जिस्टिंग कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड्स को डिलीट करना है, या रिकॉर्ड को शॉर्ट्स करना है किसी पर्टिकुलर डिजायर सीक्वेंस में. सो व्हाट ऑल these all basically these are the basically key concerns what which is we do in this particular database manipulation language. So basically there are two types of database manipulation language. First one is procedural and second one is not procedural. Procedural is defined to user specifies that what data is needed and how to get it. किस प्रकार के डेटा की हमें जरूरत है, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डेटाबेसेस वी हैव टू नीड टू क्रिएट, और हाउ उसको किस तरीके से क्रिएट किया जा सकता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ प्रोसीजरल डेटाबेस मैनिपुलेशन लैंग्वेज. And non-procedural is defined the user specifies only the what data is needed. These type of commands are easier used to, but they might not generated a code as different as procedural language. So exactly what we do in next, basically these are the commands which is we use in the in the database manipulation language. First one is we use the select command. Select command is used to retrieve 0 or more rows from the databases. And insert basically adds data into the tables. किसी particular table में कोई data आप enter करना चाहते हैं, mention करना चाहते हैं. Updates basically any types of updates within a table, what kind of updation and whatever you want to do. And the delete command is used to delete the rows, tables, columns and etc. what you want to do exactly. Here is the particular note already dedicated to your all these commands. So there is a fine difference between the drop, delete, and tourniquet commands. Basically, delete is used for what? All these things already have mentioned in these particular things. So, my dear students, we have just covered all these things in this particular session. So basically this particular session was dedicated to manipulation, manipulating data, that what kind of languages we use, exactly what we do in during creation of databases. So basically we do two things. First of all, create the structure of databases and enter our data in this particular structure basically. So we just perform two different things, and we have just discussed in this video. So we will meet in next video, my dear students. So till then, thank you very much and have a great day.